touching, touching news and sad about Sir Elton John says he won't be around to see his son get married as he reveals he lost his eyesight. The music legend opened up why he's leaving the road behind and reflected on his health. He said, I want to see our children get married, but I don't think I'm going to be around for that. He made a surprising admission that a recent infection left him apparently sighted. As some of you know, I have had issues and now I have lost my sight. I haven't been able to see the performance that I have enjoyed. So definitely it's really sad that Elot won't be able to get to see the son getting married. It's really touching. Very touching.